Hello, Tech Breakdown family. Welcome back to Newman Tech Breakdown. Today, we're doing a full review of Apple's new flagship, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This is Apple's most advanced iPhone yet, and in this video, I'll break down everything you need to know: display, performance, camera, battery, and real-world experience. So let's jump right in. The iPhone 17 Pro Max sports a 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with ProMotion adaptive 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 3000 nits peak brightness, one of the brightest screens on any smartphone right now. Apple's Ceramic Shield 2 offers solid scratch resistance, and the aluminum unibody design feels premium and sturdy in hand. Whether you're watching HDR videos or gaming outdoors, the display is vivid, fluid, and excellent for media consumption. Under the hood is Apple's A19 Pro chip, a next-generation 3-nanometer powerhouse paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM, delivering smooth performance across all tasks, from high-end gaming to video editing. Real-world reviews highlight sustained performance even during heavy use thanks to improved thermal management. Apps launch quickly, animations stay fluid, and intensive workflows like 4K editing or graphics-heavy games run without noticeable lag. Camera system: Apple has once again pushed mobile photography forward with a triple 48-megapixel camera system, wide, ultra-wide, and periscope telephoto lenses. This setup gives you crisp photos, great dynamic range, and advanced computational tricks like ProRAW and ProRes video recording, perfect for creators and vloggers. The 18-megapixel front camera is strong too, supporting cinematic modes and enhanced selfie performance, especially in low light. Battery life on the iPhone 17 Pro Max is among the best in iPhone history. Apple rates it for up to 37 hours of video playback, and in everyday use, you can easily get through a full day, even with heavy use. Charging has improved as well, with fast wired and Qi 2 wireless charging support. You can hit roughly 50% in about 20 minutes with the right adapter. This makes the phone reliable for long days out without constantly searching for a charger. Running iOS 26, the iPhone 17 Pro Max includes Apple Intelligence features that help with productivity, personalization, and overall usability. It also integrates seamlessly with the Apple ecosystem, whether it's AirPods, Apple Watch, or CarPlay. That's one of Apple's unique strengths. No phone is perfect. Some users report that the temperature can get warm under heavy use, and wireless charging speeds aren't as fast as some flagship Android competitors. Still, these are minor trade-offs for the overall premium experience. Overall, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is a flagship that delivers class-leading performance, a stunning display, excellent cameras, and industry-leading battery life. If you're a power user or creator, this device ranks among the best smartphones available today.